Hey everyone, welcome back to Priya's Hacks. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you this smoky eye makeup look. This is the first time that I've tried to create a smoky black eye. It may not be great, it may not be perfect, but I've tried. If you want to know how I created this black smoky eye makeup look, then please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to Priya's Hacks. Here we talk about makeup, beauty, skincare, home remedies and healthcare. If you are interested in that stuff, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also activate the bell icon that is next to the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification. So yes, let's start. Alright guys, so as usual I'll start with my foundation. Generally what happens with smoky eyes is we tend to get a lot of fallout, but this is how I do my general makeup. So this is what I'm doing. To correct my face, I'm using the LA Girl orange corrector, but this orange is very deep and for my skin tone this will be very harsh. So what I do is I'll mix a little bit of concealer in the color corrector so that it turns into a peach shade. So for today's foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 220. Next I'm proceeding towards brows. So for today, to fill my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Artist Pro Pomade. This is in the shade 106 Ebony. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that today for primer I have used the Smashbox Pore Minimize Primer. Alright, so I have filled my eyebrows. Let's move on towards next step, which is concealing and eye makeup. So for concealer today I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Light. Alright, so for smoky eyes you can either start with applying a black gel eyeliner on your eyelid or either kajal pencil and then blend it and set it with black eyeshadow. But what I'm doing is I'm going the other way around. I'm going to start with transition shades and then I'll apply the black gel eyeliner. For today's eyeshadow palette, I'm going in with the Balm eyeshadow palette. From that palette, I'm taking this color and I'm going to apply it in my crease as my transition shade. To darken the crease more further, I'm going in with the dark brown color. After that, on a much smaller blending brush, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and I'm going to apply it exactly in my crease. To diffuse everything once more, I'm taking the same transition shade. I'm just blending out the edges, just filling out everything. Now I'm going to apply the black gel eyeliner. So for that I'm taking the Nykaa black gel eyeliner. So the thing with smoky eyes, we have to concentrate the eyelid towards the lash line, not towards the crease. After applying the eyeliner, I'm going to smudge it and blend it. To set the gel eyeliner, I am taking this black eyeshadow and I am going to tap it on the gel eyeliner that I have just applied. This black eyeliner, it just acts as the base. The shape doesn't have to be perfect because once again we are going to blend everything out. Also, I am intensifying near the lash line. Again, I'm taking the dark brown eyeshadow. I'm once again going to deepen my crease and I'm going to repeat every step once again to blend everything out. I'm blending everything once again with the transition shade. Alright, so let's move on towards rest of our face makeup. I had a little bit of fallout and I've cleaned that up. So next move on to concealer. I'm using the same Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Light. I'm using the Wet n Wild contour palette and I'll take this banana shade Artistic Concealer. I've applied concealer on my face. Now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Before that, I'm going to tight line both of my waterlines. Alright, I've smoked my lower lash line and now my eyes look so intense. Alright, so yeah, I have tried to apply glitter eyeliner and it just looked terrible and it just ruined the look, so I've removed it. I've covered it up with more black gel eyeliner. Alright, so I have applied this L'Oreal Million Lashes mascara and I've also applied some eyelashes. Now let's move on towards contouring, highlighting and blush. So I'm moving on towards face contour. For that I'm using the same Wet n Wild contour palette. From that I'm taking this contour shade, placing the color first, then I'll blend it. After contouring for blush, I'm using the Faces Glam On blush. So I'm taking blush all the way back and blending it into my contour. Let you know everything looks more blended. Next for highlighter, today I'm using the Maybelline Master Foam highlighter. Also to highlight my brow bone and to highlight my inner corners, I'm using the same highlighter. Finally for lips, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lip. This is in the shade I Explore. We usually seal everything with a makeup setting spray, but I actually gonna take off this makeup right after I complete shooting this video, so I'm not using any makeup setting spray to fix the makeup. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I think it turned out okay. If you guys also think the same, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and I'll see you in my next video.